guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, my name is Lauren, and today I am creating this lilac look using the Lilac Lilac palette from Colourpop. It is one of my absolute favorite palettes, especially for the springtime, and I absolutely love Colourpop's formula. So if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching and I'll get right into it. Alright guys, so first I'm taking this shade right here called Ghostin'. I'm taking it on this little fluffy brush here and putting that all on the first half of my crease. Just sort of packing it on. This color is very light but very pretty. And it's more of like a pinky purple. Bringing it about to here, blending it. I'm just packing it on a lot to make it more vibrant. Bring it all the way down into here. Next, I'm going to take this shade right here called Zoned Out on this fluffy brush here, and I'm putting this all on the outer part of my crease and blending those two shades together where they meet. I'm going to take this brush right here that has a little bit of like skin colored eyeshadow and just taking it all along the tops to make sure it's blended at the top. And just fixing my eyebrows. Next, I'm going to go into this darker shade called Iffy on this flat brush here and putting that just in my outer corner. I'm not making it too dark, just dark enough to add some depth. And now going back into the brush we took Zoned Out on and blending this. So there's not a harsh line between the darker purple and the lighter purple. Now I'm also going to take Zoned Out on my lower lash line. Just keep adding it until you get the vibrance that you want. And then I'm going to take the darker purple called Iffy and adding just a tiny bit of that to my lower lash line. Now taking this Cookie Professional Be Right concealer, I'm going to cut my crease just a little bit, not a lot. I'm not making it too dramatic. I just want the colors we're putting on the lid to kind of stand out. Now, I really want that kind of ombre look on the lid. So I'm going to be taking 3 different shimmers, but all in the same palette. I'm first taking the shade right here called Fluff, and I'm just taking that on my finger, right on the edge of this. In between the matte and the concealer where they meet. And then I'm going to take the shade Wake Me. This is probably one of my favorite shades in this palette. Also taking that on my finger, putting that right beside that shade we just put down, leaving the inner part of the lid. Okay, now for the last shimmer, I'm going to take this shade right here called Cloud. Mine's a little broken up because it kind of busted on this flat brush here, because we can get more detailed with a brush, and putting that everywhere that's left. And also kind of along the top of this concealer. Right along where we cut the crease. This is also one of my favorite shades in here. I just love this whole palette. Lilacs are like one of my favorite colors at the moment. lilacs and yellows and pinks, yes. And I'm also adding this to the inner corner. Now I'm going to take the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner in the shade Crybaby, and that is the lilac shade. I'm putting this in my waterline. Alright, so now I'm going to add on some mascara and lashes, and I'll be right back with the final look. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I just added on some lashes, like some cheap ones that I got from TJ Maxx, and I had cut them up, so I just added those to like the ends of each eye. And so that is it for this look, and I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!